Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my channel. As you may or may not know, I've been coaching people since 2012 on how to eat whole food, plant-based, the easy way. So whether you're plant-based or not, a common issue that I find that most people struggle with is to plan their meals, especially dinners, and they get stuck on a dinner merry-go-round. What do I have tonight? So if that's you, I have a simple challenge for you today that can actually get you started. Your challenge, if you choose to accept it, is to plan out all of your dinners this week, but ahead of time. Even better, do it right now if you can so you don't forget. Can you even imagine having an entire week's worth of food or dinners without trying to figure out what you're going to have each night? And it doesn't have to be an elaborate plan, just a plan. Grab a piece of paper and write down the days of the week. Then write down your dinner ideas, one for each day of the week. You can even have a few meals on repeat if that's the way that you enjoy to eat. So here's what I'm having and the list that I've created for this week. I'll even leave a link to all of the recipes below so you can use some or all of these for yourself. So Monday, I'm having potato and leek soup. Tuesday, oven-cooked Mediterranean spaghetti. Wednesday, 10-minute pizza. Thursday, cheetahs, pea and mushroom risotto. Friday, baked vegetable parcels. Saturday, hearty mushroom lentil burgers. And Sunday, lettuce wrapped black bean tacos with cashew sour cream. What a yummy week, and it's done. It's that simple. So give it a go. Maybe write your list in the comments down below, or join me over in the Cooking with Plants Facebook group and share the meal list that you've come up with and what you're going to eat for the week, because I'd love to see what you're making. And if you're still stuck for ideas, then I also have a link down below to my free 7-day meal plan, which gives you breakfast, lunch, dinner and snack recipes for the entire week. You can just download that and it will get you started with some simple and healthy recipes for a whole week. So happy cooking and eating. I hope that helps you, and I look forward to seeing you for my next video. Bye for now.